Embarrassing fact about Bonrico. He used to study porn as a virgin.
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome to the show Cut, where I cut you before you cut me, whether we like each other or not.
When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how about you?
Or we could go with that version of the interpretation of the show.
Good. My name's Deja. What's your name? So, off bat, 3 words that come to mind.
Sex.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Don't worry, it's not what you think. I mean, it's not what I thought either, so I know.
Whoa. Music?
Oh! I do make music.
You do?
Do you make music?
I played the trombone. My first time on a date, you know, I don't really have any red flags
It's your
until...
first date?
Yes.
What?
Imagine being this old, this age, and just going on your first date like that's crazy.
No one ever came to me or no luck on the dating sites, you know?
Sorry. I'm sorry.
You're good.
What you mean nobody came to you? I mean, you're a guy, you can go to the girl. You're supposed to go to the girl.
He said he only has been on 1 date. I don't want to like ruin him. He's so sweet.
Nice to meet you. My name's Jason.
Jason? I'm Deja.
Nice to meet you, Deja. Damn, you do smell good.
Wait, who said that?
Give each other a little sniff.
I have a cousin who's called Deja as well.
Fact. Jason picks his chin hairs out.
I'm like, if I'm sitting
Ew.
there watching TV, I'll just go like this a little bit.
Okay. I pick my eyelashes out. Like,
See, yeah, that's cool.
and then I'll make a wish on him.
I thought I was the only weird one there. I'm like,
Sorry.
These people are not trustworthy. You will be having a full-blown conversation and they seem interested, asking you all these questions, and then they press the button. Really?
I'll take it.
You're handsome.
Oh, thank you. You're beautiful. I didn't know what to say. You look amazing.
You got great teeth.
So, how you doing
The only non-sketchy part.
today?
I'm good.
Like, I don't know what to say because, like, just looking at you and all that, I'm shaking right now.
Ooh,
It's just
stop.
beautiful.
I'm sprung, now she got me doing things I never do.
Oh, you make me like.
Bonrico's tongue can go down to his chin.
Yep. I can show you, like.
The fact that she was suddenly interested, she'd be like, Yeah, I was like, no, ain't nobody gonna see that. Apparently, I was wrong because Deja is here for it.
Oh my god! I'm not hitting it after that.
Embarrassing fact about Bonrico. He used to study porn as a virgin.
I see
Okay.
a position that I like. Oh, yeah, I might as well write
try
it down.
it.
Yeah, try
Yeah.
it.
I hate to bring this up, but let's talk about age.
22.
Oh, okay.
How about you?
I'm 20.
As a girl, I don't think I would date a younger guy. Wait, that's a lie. I did date a younger guy. Probably by a couple of months, but it's something that you think about all the time. Even if you act like, oh, I don't care, you do care.
7. I feel like the selling point for me with him is that he seems really mature. You haven't dated an older woman though, so you don't really know if you like it.
That's all.
Are you gonna teach him?
Sounds like he could teach me a few things. I don't know.
I mean, I could, but you could teach me a lot more, so I don't know.
This is going well, right?
Yeah.
Right now, they're just like two kids that has a crush on each other, and they finally got to meet. They're like, I like you too.
Are you willing to go on 2 other dates? Do you think the other 2 guys might win her over?
I hope not.
All right, let's shake on it.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm Deja. Nice to meet you. So what's your name?
Cole.
Cole. Did you say
Oh,
that?
yeah, people all the time.
That would so be a cool name to have. Like, yeah, I'm cool. What's your name? I'm cool. Huh? I'm cool. And you're not.
I think I'm saying like cool.
Yeah, I thought you were saying cool. Like
Say something that's vulnerable.
Ooh.
mama's boy? Okay, what makes you a mama's boy?
My mom is like a great mom for sure.
At least he's honest.
Love that. So nice meeting you, Cool Cole.
Alright, good luck.
If you're still into, what's his name?
Federico Bombrico.
She's already made her mind up that she likes old boys. So anybody that comes at this time, like, you don't have a chance.
What is his name? Tell me.
You'll have to ask him when he comes back.
I'll sit down now.
Are those your real eyes?
They are.
Wow! Where did that come from?
Honestly, I don't know.
Wow, I feel like I can't like stare away. I feel like
Don't mind me. Just trying to see what she sees. I'm trying to see those eyes. I didn't see them, by the way.
it's taking me in. What do you do for work?
Right now, I'm a low voltage technician.
All right, if you were to make a drink for me, what would you make?
Depends. Do you like something sweet, or do you like make your drink strong or sweet?
I got that shirt too.
I like sweet.
Is that a lemon drop?
When I was 21.
Wait, how old are you now?
I'm just kidding. I'm 27.
You're 20. You look young.
And she's just like, you don't ask a lady her age.
I think I am young.
I mean, you look younger than 27.
Sorry.
I understand.
But your eyes are beautiful.
Thank you. You're gorgeous.
Thank you so much. His eyes are very sincere. How do you pronounce your name again?
No, don't give it to her.
Is it
To be fair, the name was tricky.
Bonrico?
Yeah, Bonrico.
What's her name?
I'm pretty sure I didn't ask.
Oh, that's okay.
But what is your name?
Deja.
Deja? I like that.
Yeah.
I liked it. I like that. Shoot. I can stop looking at you.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, okay, this is getting.
I'm gonna light up one.
Oh, look at them blushing. He likes her. She likes him. They like each other. Oh, cute, cute, cute.
Last time. And if you don't press, you win.
How messed up would it be if he was like, ah, stop.
Congratulations, you have won the button.
Let me just see if I understand. So the prize is going on a date. So essentially, Brittany is finding them a date.
Are you ready to see her date?
They know they don't care. They don't care.
Where are you taking her?
Shoot. I was thinking about going to like something.
Well, guess what? There's a restaurant right there you can take us to. Alright, was this a good experience?
Yeah,
Yeah.
nerve-wracking.
Yeah, I felt nervous and all that. She was making me nervous. She was making me hot. So.
Do I still smell good?
Yeah, you smell good.